Here with some tips this morning is Dustin Coffey with Master Services. And Dustin, great to have you on the show.
Great, thanks for having me.
Well, of course, you've got offices right here in the Tri-Cities area.
Yeah, we do. We have recently opened a new location in Bristol, Virginia. So it's about time we got up here after serving there for about 12 to 15 years. So
now you're just right here, right within the community.
Yeah.
And of course, this time of year, tell me about some of the things that you guys see when it comes to our homes.
Yeah, this time of the year, it's definitely important to get into your crawl space or check the surrounding areas of your home, just because of the clay soils that we have here. You know, it's abnormally dry right now. Has been for a few years, so you can really see some issues with cracking in the foundations. If you see any kind of squeaking in the floors, it'd be good to go in there and kind of see what's going on. Very high humidity levels right now, so mold grows very quickly, so obviously that can cause some health issues if you're not careful.
So one of the things, if maybe a homeowner is seeing something like this and they give you a call, what's that like when you guys come out and start working with the homeowner?
Yeah, so initially we send someone out to do the inspection, and they're going to take their time and do a thorough inspection of your home, both under the home and the exterior, to see if we see any, like I said, any cracking or any settlement that could be potentially there. And then also, like I said, the moisture content in your crawl space. It's something that people aren't very familiar with. No one wants to go in their crawl space,
right.
I understand. But if you can, just kind of take a peek in there and see what you think. Give us a call, because as soon as we come out, we can do moisture readings, use our equipment to see if we see any settlement or anything like that. And
I would imagine, just like a person's health, prevention is key. So getting to it before you get that call if something has happened. Yes, absolutely. You know, I know allergies are really bad in East Tennessee. We understand that, but you're not always safe going inside if you have issues below your home, right? So it's one of those things to be cognizant of, especially if you have allergies and things like that. We can definitely help you out with that. Well, certainly some important information. And while you're here, tell me about some of the other services that Master Services provides for homeowners. Yeah, so obviously we do crawl space repair, so mold treatment, encapsulations, waterproofing, foundation settlement, and one of the biggest things we're seeing a lot of now is concrete settlement. So tripping hazards around your home, any type of cracking and things, we actually have a product that we can lift and level that and stabilize it and put a warranty on it. Nice. Mm-hmm. And now that you're right here in our community, a lot easier to get to all these different homes. A lot easier. We have 140 employees, and a vast majority actually live in this area. So traveling to Knoxville, working remotely, now they have a central location. They can be at customers' homes in much quicker time, and just serve people better. That's great. And this time of year, I guess you guys stay pretty busy. Very busy. We're very blessed to have that, but very busy, yeah. All right. Well, certainly better to be safe than sorry. Some good checklist things for us to do as we're looking at our homes coming up with this summer heat that we're all excited that summer is here. Thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you for having me. We're going to give everybody the information. If you would like to learn more, or you need someone to come out and take a look at your home, do that inspections, you can get a hold of them right here at the number that is on your screen. You can also check out the website. And once again, it's Master Services right here in the Tri-Cities.